Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about Citrea SmartWatch, and we're gonna just get started and check out and enjoy through all this kind of smartwatch. Ooh, there we go. As some of you guys can see, this is called Citrea Watch, and the name Citrea comes from a bird from America. Yeah, definitely a bird from America. And another kind of stuff through this kind of Citrea watch is powered by Q&Q, which is really amazing company for watches. And another kind of stuff through all this kind of watch, which is so amazing, which captured me, is the way it looks. It's really dope. But let us just get started through unboxing it, checking it out, and know the battery capacity, how much it holds, and the possibilities throughout this watch. So enough of me talking, let's get started through the video of today. So guys, here's a bad boy. We're gonna just unbox it and check it out what's inside. I'm really pumped to see what's in here throughout Citrea SmartWatch by Q&Q, which is really amazing. Ooh, there we're having it. This is our watch. Some of you guys can see this is the watch, and it's really amazing thing. And another kind of stuff, we're gonna just remove the watch first of all, keep it aside. And what's inside? Well, I think this is a magnetic charger, which is really great thing. Let us just open up here to see what's happening. So some of you guys can see this is a magnetic charger, and it's really quite not bad. It's really amazing. So yeah, our second thing on the list is Citrea instruction manual. So it's really amazing to read the instruction manual to understand how much you can use your watch, which is really coming in handy. Now guys, let's talk about our watch, because this is the watch, which is called Citrea watch. So as some of you guys can see, this is the watch face, and you can change it by just holding, and you can just switch depending on you what type of watch face you'd like, which is really amazing. Just hold it, swipe slowly, and you can even add your own kind of custom pictures throughout your watch face depending on you how much you want it. And I think I like this one, stands out. It's really amazing, but I prefer the one which I can customize and insert my image, which I'm gonna show you throughout the app how you can do that. Another kind of stuff, you can go throughout the menu, which shows you health data, exercise record, heart rate, blood oxygen. It has stress measuring, breath training, sleep, weather, music, stopwatch, alarm, timer, you name it. All those kind of functionality, they're here. And you can go directly through settings if you want to trigger anything. Everything is just steady, which is really incredible about the Citrea watch. Another kind of stuff, you can swipe this way through your widgets and check it out what's going on, because these are like widgets, but you just swipe to see the heads up what's happening. If you're walking, it will just do the counting, which is really amazing. And another kind of stuff, you can just check out your heart rate in here, which is really precise, and it's really giving you some greatness throughout measuring your heart rate. Not only that, you can measure even your oxygen, which is great. You can do some exercise and check out bunch of exercise in here, which is really amazing through this watch. About the quality of this watch, to be honest, it's really impressive. I like the way the materials they kept it, which it's really awesome throughout it. It's quite not bad. It's really good. On this side at the back, you can see these are the sensors which they measure your heart rate, and on this side, this is the magnetic for your charging, which is really amazing. These the IO pins, which they're really amazing. Another kind of stuff, you can see the straps, they're easy to remove and replace, which is quite impressive. Build quality through all this watch is just amazing. To be honest, I really like it. The way they kept this scrolling, I wish it could be like you scroll like a Mazfit, but it's quite not bad. I like it. Still, it's really good. And another kind of stuff, you can just press this button to give it different functionality. Now we're gonna talk about how you can connect it with your device. It's really easy, and there's an app for that, which I'm going to talk about the app and how you can change different types of watch faces throughout using that app. So let's get started. So guys, here's the interface of our app, as you can see guys, which is really amazing. And throughout here, it gives you different variety of options throughout your dashboard, and you can even go to the exercise section to select what type of exercise you would like to start. And another kind of stuff, you can go to the device section here. Now on this side, you can go to the watch face market, and on the watch face market you can just select any watch faces you want. Let me say you want to just check out for new arrivals and what's new on the watch faces. You can see in here there are bunch of watch faces, which is really amazing. And if you just don't like any kind of watch faces on there, you can even insert your photo throughout here, which can give it really nice and amazing throughout, standing out on your watch. Now let me say you can just go down here. Let's scroll down. I can select even this one, and when you're done, you just sync it and it will just upload on your picture. And as you can see guys, which it's really amazing, and it will show up like this photo in here. And that's about the watch face market. Well, right now let's talk about the specification of the Citrea smartwatch. Well, this kind of watch comes with two variety, which is a pink color, or is like a bronze you can call it, and a black color, which is really amazing. It has a long 8 days of battery life, which is really great, and approximately 2.5 hours of charging time, which is really great. And it has a magnetic USB charging, which is great. Functionality out of it, it gives you step counting, distance, calorie, notification, heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, and even stopwatch timer. And it has alarm. You can change your watch faces in here, which it's giving you different bunch of watch faces, and you can even use your custom image to implement on the watch face side, which is really great thing. So guys, this is the Citrea smartwatch. I hope you saw the features. It's really amazing, and the battery side out of it, it's quite great, I can say, because 8 days, it's really amazing on this kind of watch. Another kind of stuff through this watch which surprised me, it's all about notification. Now notification showcase you through even social media and with icons, which other watches they can never do that. They can just show you notification through these kind of watches. They just show you notification without an icon, but this one shows you notification with an icon where that notification came from, which is really amazing. Battery life, this watch stays with power for 8 days. Now it's really crazy, but 8 days with this watch, man, that's a lot. And I know there's a bunch of variety of watches out there which stays for 14 days, other one 21 days, but 8 days, it's quite not bad. It's really amazing. It's really incredible throughout this kind of watch. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this video of today. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here to never miss out any new tech video. And another kind of stuff, I know a lot of you guys are watching this video. Some of you guys, you're not subscribed to the channel. Subscribe to the channel here, so as we can hit at this end of the year at least 5k subscribers. It will be really amazing. We've been doing this thing for the journey for quite a bit, and it's really awesome for your support, and it will be really cool. So that's what's up guys, up on the next tech video, and yes sir.